Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to identify fake clicks and IP address in Google Ads. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. After that you have to simply type in Google Ads in the top search bar, then you have to simply go to the first option from here, and once you click on the first option it will simply take you to this page. From here you can just simply choose the sign in button or the start now button according to your preferences. If you have already an account, then just simply go for the sign in, and if you don't have one, then you have to just simply click on the start now button, and after that it will simply take you to a dashboard like this. Then what you need to do is simply click on the campaigns option, then find out the insight and reports, then just expand it, then just simply click on the report editor, and from here you have to just simply click scroll down from here, and here you can see that we have got a question like this, that the frequently used reports, and here in the billing section you will get the option of free clicks. Just simply click on the free clicks option from here, and once you click on the free clicks, here you can see in this report you will get all the details according to the free clicks, that what is the IP address and what are the things you will show here, and you can just download the report here, and you can just take necessary steps by checking these reports accordingly. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.